Maverick two-door sedan, fully restored, powered by a 302 underneath the hood. Appears to be numbers matching. Take a look in the still pictures. I'll tell you where to check those out here in just a second. You'll be able to see the VIN derivative stamped into the block. That is paired up with a C4 automatic transmission, also nicely equipped. Power steering, AC. We'll pop the hood here in a little bit. I want you to check out the chrome front grille, headlight surrounds first. When I say full restoration, wait till you see the bottom of this car in the still pictures. Take a look at this paint. It isn't a 6F paint code, so it'd be gold, glamour, metallic. Does have a brown and black houndstooth interior, and it looks as good on the bottom as it does on the top, inside and out. Like I said, we'll check out this interior in a little bit. There's probably over 100 pictures of this car online, and you can see it at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, Magnum 500 wheels, good rich radials, and take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. Car was originally sold San Jose, California. That's where the DSO was, and it was with the same owner out there until 2013. So California car the majority of its life. It was then restored in 2016. There's that houndstooth interior, bench seat up front, shift around the column, and you can see how nice that bright work down the side of it lines up and fits. Take a look at the new black vinyl top, also in excellent condition. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Go ahead and take a look at the rear bumper, chrome taillight surrounds. You can see the condition that those are in. And this would have originally been obviously a 302 car with the F code and also the number matching block. You can see that again in the still pictures where it's stamped. You'll see the underside, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side of this car. Yes, that paint does look as good in person as it does in the videos and the pictures. Yeah, less than 500 miles in this car after it was restored also. All right, let's take a look at the interior so you can see the door panels. There'll also be a picture of the door tag. You can see that in the still pictures also if you'd like to decode any of that. 302 now has a 4-barrel on it also. Of course, it would have came with a 2-barrel from Ford back in 1972. It was rebuilt to approximately 300 horsepower, and the tranny was also built at the time of the restoration. There's a kind of a plastic container with manila envelopes filled with receipts, the original owner's manual, a portion of the build sheet, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures also as far as that portion of the build sheet and that owner's manual. And like I said, a plethora of receipts will go along with the car. Of course, here's your AC controls over here. Did play around with a few things. The AC compressor will turn on. Did not blow cold. The radio works, does have an aftermarket radio in it. Wipers work. It also has the inner ring horn blow on it. That does work, as you can see. The steering wheel, I believe they called a deluxe steering wheel, if I remember right. All right, let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Nice sounding car too. That was a cold start, so we're going to be up on a little higher idle here at the beginning till it warms up, but I'll get it down to the low idle for you. And as you can see, the gas gauge works. Fortunately, the door chime works. Close the door so you can see that. There you go. Odometer states 78,515, and that is believed to be original. I can't confirm or deny that without paperwork, and it does not show on the title once it becomes a certain age. Just as exempt. Aftermarket Pioneer radio. Obviously that is in working order. Get that 302 warmed up. We'll come down off that high idle. Let it warm up a second. First of all, let you hear it run from the rear here. And again, a little higher idle till it warms up. That choke kicks off. So what I'm going to do, let it warm up here just a little bit. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll pop the hood. It'll be dropped down onto the low idle by then. We'll let you check out the engine bay and here it runs some more.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go. Take a look at this engine bay. Right as I pop the hood, drop down to the low idle. Again, engine was rebuilt at the time of restoration. So not many miles on it. Power steering, AC. A lot of paperwork that will go with it as far as receipts. I did mention the owner's manual, the partial build sheet. The 302 now has a 4-barrel on it, paired up with the C4 automatic transmission. What a nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Not going to see them this nice in the 72 very often anymore. Ford Maverick. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.